Bryce Whitty here from Technibble.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you some tips to make sure that your business website actually converts visitors into clients. So the main problem is many MSPs throw up a WordPress website, mention their services, add a contact page and call it a day. But a business website needs to be set up to convert, and here's how to go about it. So first of all, make sure it's mobile optimized. Many sites these days are seeing more mobile traffic than desktop traffic. In your sales copy, make sure that you sell benefits rather than features. Most people don't even know what managed services even is, but they will understand if you say that you monitor their computers to prevent problems before they happen, for example. Something like off-site cloud backup is a feature, but the benefit is that their data is still safe, even if their systems are stolen or the business burns down or gets taken out by a hurricane, for example. Make sure that your sales copy is how you can help them and solve their problems. They don't care that you've been in IT since 1996 and started your business in 2008. They only care about how you're going to solve their problems. So make sure all your content pages have a call to action on them. What do you want your visitors to do? If you have some copy about your managed services, ask for the sale, saying something like, if you finally need your IT sorted, give us a call on whatever. Make sure that your website loads in a reasonable time. You can punch your website URL into something like webpagetest.org and it will let you know how fast your website loads and what's slowing it down. A good time is about 3 seconds. Make sure that you have your contact details visible without scrolling the page. Somewhere up the top is best, but don't make them hunt for a way to contact you. Some people say that Facebook advertising and Google advertising doesn't work, but what is often happening is that they can get the traffic to the website, but they don't convert the customer. So with some simple changes, you can greatly increase the chances of the conversion of your website. If you boost your website's conversion rate from 1% to 2%, you essentially double the income that your website generates, so it's well worth doing.